welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. And viewers, you're watching our continuous coverage of the historic moment for India. Remember, after several delays, SpaceX Falcon 9 spacecraft with the Crew Dragon capsule and 4 astronauts, including India's very own Shubhanshu Shukla, lifted off earlier today. And now we have a reaction coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appreciated the successful launch of the space mission carrying astronauts from India, Hungary, Poland and the United States of America. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Sagarika joining us live with us from the newsroom. Sagarika, over to you. Tell us what the Prime Minister has said.
Both the Prime Minister and the President have extended their wishes to Shubhanshu Shukla and the astronauts of Axiom 4. Just taking you through the post first of the President as Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla creates a new milestone in space for India. The whole nation is excited and proud of India's journey into the stars. He and his fellow astronauts of Axiom Mission 4 from the US, Poland and Hungary prove the world is indeed one family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. My best wishes for the success of the mission, which reflects the enduring partnership between NASA and ISRO. The wide-ranging experiments to be performed by the crew will lead to new frontiers of scientific studies and space exploration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi too has said that we welcome the successful launch of the space mission carrying astronauts from India, Hungary, Poland and the United States. The Indian astronaut, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, is on the way to become the first Indian to go to the International Space Station. He carries with him the wishes, hopes and aspirations of 1.4 billion Indians. Wish him and other astronauts all the success.
All right, so their wishes pouring in from across the country. And Sagarika, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with those inputs. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has